that both Jupiter and how to observe it. On any given day, Jupiter is so bright in the night sky that it can easily be seen with the naked eye. McAnally 2008, page 5. Have you ever wondered how the planet Jupiter works? What are the things that make this planet so unique? It all comes down to a knowledge of this planet. I can speak to you on the subject of this planet because I've been studying astronomy for the past 2 years. Because of my experience, I have always wondered the facts of Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, and it has very interesting facts. Today you will be given information about Jupiter's size, its weather, and its moons. To begin with, let me tell you how Jupiter works. Jupiter can be defined as the largest planet in our solar system by the history in astronomy. The size of Jupiter can be measured in 4 ways: by the mass, diameter, volume, and surface area. The mass of Jupiter is 1.9 times 10 to the 27 kilograms. It has an equatorial diameter of 143,000 kilometers. The Jovian volume is 1.43 times 10 to the 15 kilometers cubic. And the total surface area of Jupiter is 6.22 times 10 to the 10 kilometers square. This was addressed by universetoday.com. Here's a picture of Jupiter. This tells us that this planet is huge. Jupiter displays a series of bright zones and dark belt generally running parallel to its equator. McAnally 2008, page 7. Jupiter can be contrasted with our planet Earth. Jupiter's mass is 318 times that of Earth's and around 2.5 times that of the rest of the solar system combined. This planet is mysterious for its mass because nobody knows if life could exist there. If life exists there, according to universetoday.com, Jupiter may be the most massive planet in our solar system, but it would need another 50 to 80 times its current mass in order to begin fusing its hydrogen into helium and become a star. The planet's diameter is 11.2 times larger than Earth. Jupiter's volume is 1,321 times larger than Earth. Jupiter's volume surface area is 122 times that of Earth, according to universetoday.com. You may be wondering how this planet works inside. Let's look how the weather is in Jupiter. The purpose of the weather of Jupiter is to learn why life cannot exist in there. Jupiter has the most violent and most varied weather patterns of any planet in the solar system. According to Ratter, several observations of Jupiter's atmosphere made by instruments on the New Horizons spacecraft have implications for the stability and dynamics of Jupiter's weather layer. This concludes that Jupiter's weather is changing time by time. According to Dyer 1991, storms hundreds of miles across that are large enough to engulf the Earth, clouds towering are large enough, hundreds of miles high, storms that last centuries in the southern hemisphere. Jupiter has a famous spot called the Great Red Spot. The Great Red Spot is the solar system's largest storm. According to allaboutSpace.com, Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a huge, long-lasting storm in the atmosphere of the southern hemisphere of Jupiter. It's an anticyclonic storm, much like Hurricane. One hurricane. This spot on Jupiter is so large that 2 or 3 Earths can fit in it. Now that you learn a little bit about the weather in Jupiter, we'll now turn our attention to Jupiter's moon. Some of the Jupiter's moons are important because life might exist there. Jupiter is known as the planet with the most moons because it's the largest planet in our solar system. It has approximately 60 moons. The number might change because they keep finding more moons. Most of its moons are not really big, only 4, which are these 4. These 4 moons are known as the Galileans and go by the name of Europa, Callisto, Ganymede, and Io. These moons are the largest that Jupiter has. According to Pavlov 2011, Jupiter's icy moon Europa is one of the most promising places in our solar system where possible extraterrestrial life forms could exist, either in the past or even in the present. Some of these moons might contain life because of their history and its atmosphere, unlike its planet. As a review of what I talked today, I'm going to summarize the information I have shared. First, the planet is the largest planet in our solar system. Second, the weather in Jupiter has the most violent and most varied weather patterns of any planet in the solar system. Last, Jupiter has about 16 moons, but only 4 are informed because they are the biggest and they can have life inside of them. Due to its size and mass, Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. I hope after learning more about this planet, you have gained a great perspective of what this planet is. Now you know why Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system.